Hi, this is Mrs. Spencer. I hear you guys are having a little bit of trouble figuring out how to increase the volume of your microphone and playback recording. So I'm going to show you how to do that on this screencast. There's going to be a little speaker here on the bottom that I don't think you're going to be able to see right now. It's a little speaker with 3 little lines to show the volume. You actually right-click that, and up comes these options. And you're going to click Sounds, and then where you see these different tabs, we're going to click Recording, and there you're going to see your microphone, and you click Microphone, and then you're going to click the word Properties. When you click Properties, there's 2 things we're going to do. We're going to go to Levels, and yours will probably be right here. And so we're going to increase our microphone boost. And then we've also discovered that these boxes are often checked, and it tends to work better if we uncheck these boxes. So if you uncheck the top one, then both those boxes become unchecked. And then you're going to click OK. OK. And you're all set. That should help with your recording volume and playback.